Hello, my name is Mike. I'm with BestRugPrices.com, and today I'm happy to continue on with our Ask the Flooring Pro video series. What we're doing is we're taking questions that we get asked all the time about related floor covering issues. It could be product questions, or it could be questions about cleaning and maintenance tips, or could be budgeting questions, or how much does certain things cost. You name it, we get asked a question. And so what we're doing is we're taking these questions one by one and making short little videos, and then we're hosting them on our website, and it's called Ask the Flooring Pro. So our goal is that you could use this as a resource guide. If you have a flooring question that you need to get answered, you can go on to our website, and hopefully we have a video that's going to help you out. So today's question is, can you install vinyl tile over linoleum in bathrooms? So we get asked this question all the time. People coming in wanting to redo their bathroom, and they've got linoleum or sheet vinyl on the floor, the stuff that comes in the 12 and 6-foot widths, very, very popular for bathrooms. And people come in and say, well, our floor is outdated. We're looking to put in some click together vinyl tile because we hear it's waterproof and good for bathrooms. But we don't want to go through all the hassle of ripping up our existing floor. Can we just go right over the linoleum that we have down on the floor right now? So it's an interesting question. And what I always tell people is, if your linoleum is in good shape, meaning it's not curling up at the edges, or it doesn't have holes in it, or there's not big bumps of stuff underneath the floor, if it's in good shape, the answer to the question is yes, you can go right over the linoleum, and it can save you a lot of money when it comes to installation. I also tell people that your installation is really only as good as what you're laying over the top of. Meaning, if you're trying to cut corners and you're trying to go over a floor that's in bad shape, then you're better off to just take up the existing floor and start fresh. In a perfect world, it's always best, I tell people, to go from your subfloor up and not lay over existing floors. But in reality, it can save you a lot of time and money to go over an existing floor if you can. And certainly in this case, in a bathroom with existing linoleum on the floor, there's no problem at all going right over the top of it if that floor is in good shape. I will say that a lot of times people forget about your toilet. So now the toilet is going to have to come up. So you need to plan on having a plumber come in or a handyman and take that toilet up and put it back down after the flooring guys get done. But to answer your question in this video, can you put click together vinyl tile over linoleum in a bathroom? Absolutely, you sure can. It's done every single day. You just need to make sure that that linoleum is in good shape. So I hope this answered your question. You can find more videos on our site at bestrugprices.com. If you go to the section that says Ask the Flooring Pro, you can even leave a question for us, and we'll make a video. Thanks.